The following video will show you the best ways to add content to your BrightSpace course shell. Following these instructions will allow you to keep control over where the content is placed in the file system. Open the course to which you wish to add content. Click on the Content tab to see what content exists. In this case, we are starting with a clean slate. Now, let's upload the files we want to add to the course content. Click on the Manage Files link. Create a folder structure that makes sense to you. I like to group my files based on the purpose and file type. Click on the folder where you wish to have the files stored. Click the Upload icon. Drag the file from your computer's file system to the Upload dialog box. Click the Save button. You should now see the uploaded file in the folder you selected. Hover over the right-hand side of the file name. A drop-down arrow should appear. Click on the drop-down arrow and select the Add Content Topic option. Create the desired content module structure for this topic. Select the desired heading for this object from the list of available parent modules, if required. Name the content object. This is the name the students will see listed in the table of contents. Click the Add button. BrightSpace will return you to the root directory after you have added the object. Click on the Content tab to confirm that the new object has been added. Now let's add a link to an external resource. While in the Content tab, navigate your way to the parent module where you wish to add the link to the external resource. If an appropriate module doesn't exist, you may add one by clicking the Add a Module link. Once in the module, click on the Upload/Create button. Select the Create a Link option. Add an appropriate title for the link. Enter the URL for the link. Check the Open as External Resource checkbox. Click the Create button. Click on the Content tab to verify the link has been created. Click on the link to test it and verify that the target page opens in a new window. That's all. You now know how to upload files to the BrightSpace file system, add a content module from files within the BrightSpace file system, and how to add a link to an external resource.